it's Alane here, and I am in my acupuncturist's office waiting, and I'm just taking an opportunity to do some of my Move Your HSP push-ups. So here is the acupuncture table. Behind me is a bookshelf. Can you see that let's see here, can you see my foot? I'm leaning my heels against the bookshelf, and my hands are on the table. And what I'm going to do is make my body as straight as I can and squeeze all my muscles, pulling my elbows toward my hip bones, right? Put my mask on in case he comes in. So now I'm just going to keep my elbows in close to my body and breathe and do push-ups that are challenging for me, not impossible. So how are you moving? This is also a good time to table it. Oh, you can't see. I'll help you see. I am making my body, my arms are on the table, and I'm making my back flat. Like, I'm tabling it, which is giving me a really nice stretch through my upper back and also my lower back, making a 90-degree angle with my hips. And from here, I might do a little bit of cat-cow in a way that really works. Oh great, here's Daniel, so I'm gonna put my mask on and let you say hi.
Hello.
Hey Daniel,
Hi.
you ready to fix me up?
Yep.
Cool.